In this video we will talk about 20 digital products that you can sell online. Digital products continue to flourish in the online business space and the benefits of joining this market are endless. When you sell digital products, you have the potential to create regular passive income for yourself. Overhead and maintenance is very low compared to having a physical product business, and you can work from home or anywhere you want. Your digital products will never run out of stock and they will continue to bring an income because they last forever. There are many platforms that you can upload and sell your digital products, and they vary based on what you're selling. Here are just a few of my recommendations: Etsy, Amazon, Creative Market, your own website. 1. Wedding invitation templates. Templates for wedding invitations, seating charts, menus, and all event stationery sell really well on Etsy. Templates allow customers to edit the designs you offer so they can personalize it to their preferences. 2. Greeting cards. People love greeting cards, especially unique ones that they would only find online, created by small businesses. You can design printable cards for all seasons, occasions, and special events. Customers will have the option to send them to their friends and family digitally or print out hard copies. 3. Digital planners. There are many types of digital planners you can create and sell. Try exploring with daily planners, goal planners, meal/workout planners, and printable calendars. You can give customers the option to fill them out digitally or print and fill them out by hand. And printable wall art. Art printables are high on demand, especially on Etsy. Start by choosing a niche that you're passionate about. Examples are nursery wall art, minimalist wall art, motivating office wall art, etc. 5. Digital trackers. Trackers are a great way for your customers to write down, analyze, and improve their habits and/or actions. Some great and popular trackers that people purchase daily are habit trackers, mood trackers, weight loss trackers. Resume/cover letter templates. These are high on demand on Etsy with less competition than many other digital products. If you're skilled in laying out professional resumes and cover letters, this is a great digital product for you to explore. 7. Business cards and logos. Business cards and logos can be offered as a customized product by you based on the client's requests or in the form of templates with all the elements and fonts available to the customer after purchasing. You can bundle a product that comes with a business card and logo so the customer ensures that they are cohesive. 8. Business thank you cards. Business thank you cards are a great way for small business owners to add a nice touch to their packaging and get return clients on a consistent basis. A thank you card can be offered as a template where customers can personalize it to their business name, slogan, discount offer for the next purchase, social media handles. 9. Pinterest and Instagram templates. Templates for pins and Instagram posts are high on demand and competition is lower for this product on Etsy compared to many digital downloads. You can create a bundle of 10 to 20 pins or posts that follow a theme and/or branding colors that small business owners and content creators would love and appreciate. 10. Email newsletter templates. If you love to write and want to get creative on creating appealing and interesting newsletters, business owners that struggle with this skill would love templates for their email newsletters that they send to their email list on a consistent basis. Check Canva's newsletter templates to get inspired and create your own templates on Canva. 11. Printable coloring pages. Coloring pages are big on Etsy. Whether you are creating coloring pages for kids or adults, this is a trending digital download that serves as a fun hobby for many people. Get some inspiration online and discover the possibilities of what you can create. Then have some fun and get creative with your own style. 12. Printable props or games. How fun are party props? You can create bundles of printable birthday props, bachelor props, photo booth props, and so much more. You can take it a step further and design printable games that suit the theme of your props so it encourages customers to purchase more from your shop. 13. Stock photos or mock-ups. If you are a photographer or you have a passion for taking high-quality photos, you can sell your photos on platforms like Creative Market, Shutterstock or Etsy. 14. Clip art and graphics. Your own clip art can be sold in bundles on Etsy, Creative Market, Shutterstock, and many other platforms. Browse through Creative Market to get an idea of what types of graphics you would enjoy designing and creating from scratch, i.e. flowers and greenery, watercolor animals, seasonal graphics, etc. I recommend Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop to create your graphics. 15. Fonts. If you love to handwrite and you are constantly complimented on your hand lettering skills, it's time to put that to use and create your own beautiful fonts. There are many platforms that you can create, share and download your fonts. 16. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other companies' products. If you love a product and you promote it to others, you earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. I highly recommend doing this only for products that you are passionate about based on your own experience. 17. Ebooks. If you enjoy writing, whether it's fiction or helpful information that you want to share with your audience, ebooks are great digital products for you to create and sell. Depending on who your target audience is, you can write short stories that are fun to read or how-to books that help people achieve a specific task or goal. 18. E-courses. When people are constantly asking you about a specific skill you have mastered that has helped you or someone else get results, it's definitely time to consider packaging your expertise in a digital course. Platforms that you can use to create your online course are Teachable, Thinkific, Kajabi, and Udemy. 19. Plans or programs. A program can be laid out as a 4-week plan, 8-week plan, 12-week plan, etc. for a client that is looking to reach a specific goal. For example, if you are knowledgeable in health and fitness, a great digital product would be a meal plan or workout plan that your clients would follow to reach the goals they are aiming for and what the plan promises them. This can be used for any niche that you're an expert in. 20. Coaching. Providing one-to-one coaching sessions for clients is the perfect way to understand what your ideal customers want based on the questions and struggles your clients will have. You can offer one-to-one coaching or group coaching online through Zoom calls or Facebook groups, and charge a premium since you are offering your clients customized strategies that are suited specifically for them.